In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Docker in Ubuntu, and to be honest, let's just get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to update your system. So if you type in sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade and -y, this will basically update your system. And as you can see, my system is already up to date and I can proceed to install Docker. Right, so to install Docker, all you have to do is type in sudo apt install docker.io, and then you just need to press basically yes or y. And this will basically install Docker for you. This should take about a couple seconds to do. It's actually very fast. Right, and as you can see, it's installed. All you have to do to actually verify that it is installed, you can just type in Docker, and if it displays like this help menu, that means it has been successfully installed. Another way to test if Docker is running properly and actually spinning up a service is you just need to run this command. So if you type in sudo docker run p8080 and basically nginx, and what this will do is it will actually spin up a web server that you can actually access. So if you put HTTP localhost and the port number, which is the first port number, which was 8080, and if I refresh, as you can see, it says welcome to nginx, which means the request has been successful and everything is working properly. Also, if you come back to basically console, and as you can see, there is requests coming in, and this means that everything is working properly, and that's, to be honest, it. All the commands will be in the description below, and if you need extra help or if you need extra explanations, hit me in the comments. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible, and thank you for watching, and peace.